Josie, the business manager here at Edencraft, and today I'm going to run you through Paul's boat, which is our most recent formula to leave the factory. Paul's boat is sitting on an easy tow 4-tonne skidded trailer, perfectly suited to suit the formula hull. And this formula is fitted with a pod, so we've got our pod steps, trim tabs and a beautiful pair of Mercury twin 225 V6s. So this formula is also fitted with a hard top, which is a great option for all types of weather. You can open the side windows when it's a hot day, and you can also obviously keep it all enclosed. So Paul's opted for some Simrad electronics. He's got a 16-inch and a 12-inch, 2 transducers. He's running 2 bilge pumps down the back, a deck wash and a live bait tank pump. Paul has opted for some custom seat boxes here, so they're fully insulated and set up ready to go. So the port side seat is a full-length esky, so it runs all the way to the front, so you'll be able to fit some decent sized fish in there. This esky is a little bit smaller, so this will be used mainly for food and drinks for the day of fishing. Another option that Paul's gone for on this formula is a toilet, which is an absolute must for me. We've also got a leaning post fitted to this boat, which is a great option and comes in very handy when you're fighting some big fish.